Welcome to Next Software Technologies. This video I will try to discuss about proven money making ideas by which you can make a lot of money which are proven, not fake or scam. We already did it, and our student and our partners, and there are many workers, there are many people are doing smart money. The truth is there are real ways to make money online. Millions of people are doing it each day, from freelancer, digital marketer, savvy marketers to rising entrepreneurs. There are plenty of business ideas you can try at home using your laptop and a solid internet connection. So let's break down how to make money online in the real way, no a fake way. So firstly, I would like to discuss about drop shipping. You can start in drop shipping in various marketplaces. And today I will discuss about Shopify. It's a renowned marketplace for doing drop shipping. So let's start in our list of one of the most popular ways to make money online. Is according to Google Trend, dropshipping popularity rapidly growing day by day because people can't go outside of home currently, so its popularity increasing day by day. You can't imagine in next 3 to 5 years almost 50 to 70% market will be captured in e-commerce industry. So I hope you can get this chance before that time. So here there are many success stories in dropshipping. Today I will share a little success story of our student. One student, she was 17 to 18 years old, and she was newbie. After 3 months, his revenue was almost $17,000 by doing drop shipping. So can't imagine if you can make monthly $5,000, so I hopefully you can make at least $2,000. So I think it's a smart money for a newbie. $5,000 is not too much. It's a small for dropshipper. $5,000 is not much money to make. So if you don't know dropshipping, what is? Dropshipping is the business model where you can sell a product to customer, but from the supplier stores, packaging and ships from the supplier. So nothing to do. Customers will get product on behalf of you. You can access millions of products from, there are many marketplaces. We already discussed about AliExpress. You can subscribe in our channel. Hope you will get daily videos to success in your dropshipping life and future life. So if you select hand-picked item or gadgets item, it's a top selling item. Kitchen item, it's a top selling item. So people will choose one item and they will purchase more than 5 to 10 items. So kitchen item, gadgets item, it's a top selling product. You can do it without any doubt. So for this, Shopify will be perfect choice for you. By Shopify, there are many guys are doing Shopify because they are user friendly. Their payment gateways are usually simple, and everything, their image resolution and free theme, everything, they are user friendly. So by doing Shopify you can make a lot of money. Number 2, Number 2, you can do blogging. For blogging, you can choose, there are many sites, wix.com, wordpress.com, but today I will discuss about wordpress.com. It's world's most popular website builder. There are millions of sites developed by WordPress. So you can do any kind of any niches website by WordPress. Like if you like to travel, you can do travel niche website. If you if you love cooking, so you can do cooking niche blog. If you love to home materials, so you can create a home materials related blog. And once you write or once you develop your blog, you can promote usually. For this you can use Google Trend to get keyword idea. For keyword idea I will discuss in another video, by which you can get proper keyword to rank in Google, Bing and every search engine. So after create a blog in WordPress, you will get traffic regularly. After getting traffic, you will optimize your site for Google Adsense and Ezoic. There are many ads network, so you can use with Google Adsense. They are good and well renowned. You can use Adsense for your site for revenue. Hopefully you will generate a good amount of money. Okay, success story. One of our students already making more than $5,000 per month by doing Google Adsense. So why you can't? Why you wasting your time in another ways? It's easy, it's tricky, it's profitable. You can do your site easily, and after once you're getting money, then if you like, you can sell your site. You can flip your site. You can sell your site at 50. You can 50 multiple site. So if your site revenue suppose $1,000, you can sell your site at $50,000 in any marketplaces. So do it as early as possible. It's time already passing. So number 3, I will discuss about Kindle direct publishing. It's many writers are doing currently. Amazon KDP, they in May month 35.9 million USD they given to publishers. So if you make not million, if you make only $5,000 in each month, I think it's smart. So what you need to do, at first you have to write articles in ebook or paperback format. Then you have to upload here for publishing, and once your users or once any reader will read this book, you will get commission for each book. In each book you can make $3 to $5 or $10 or $50, as much you want to give to your reader. So it's a smart money making, and success here too much, and it's smart. You can introduce you as a publisher in your platform. You can tell that you are writer. You can tell you are a publisher in Amazon Kindle, Amazon KDP publisher. So I think it's smart money making. So number 3, Clickbank. I think Many guys you know that about Clickbank. It's a best affiliate marketing network. What you would like to sell? You can sell anything you can sell here. You can promote like they are mainly based for health related products. So if you get any product from them and at $10 you can sell this product at least $100. It's a best affiliate marketing network where you can make $5,000 to $10,000. It's not easy, it's not difficult, it's easy to make 5 to 10,000 from here. So don't worry about it. You can go sign up and then view interfaces about products, how much you can make, how much you can profit in here. If you would like to know about more details, I will make another video. Now number 5 and last is Fiverr. Fiverr is almost world. Many freelancers know about Fiverr. If you are expertise in any field of any of the field, if you expertise in graphics and design, here graphics and design there are many fields: logo design, brand style and guides, website design, app design, email design, visual design, Photoshop editing, poster design, fashion design. Here digital marketing has many options: social media marketing, search engine marketing, display advertising. Here writing, if you think that you are expertise in writing, you can select any options from here. You can select add copy. If you are expertise in book editing, previously I told about Amazon KDP. If you think that if you are expertise in book editing, so you can post your gigs in here. If you think that you expertise in website content writing, so you can write content in here. If you expertise in video editing, so you can make from Fiverr from these options. If you like to Wordpress and website builder, you can post your gigs in here. There are many options in business. You can, if you are a virtual assistant, so you can post your gigs from here. So let me check one gigs. No, okay. Suppose virtual assistant. Okay, so here see that one guy's posted a gigs. I will do real estate leads and work is keep pressing for you at $5. He already got 217 orders and his rating 4.9. Another, yeah, this one. I will format, design, edit Microsoft MS Word document and PDF. He charging $20 and he already got 654 orders and his rating 5. Okay, this one. I will do real estate skip pressing, which is rating 5 and 1K plus already got order and $20 each. It's not difficult work. It's actually 20 minutes work. I think 20 minutes work, 10 to 20 minutes work. So if we get suppose 1000 order into 20, so he made only in 1 gig he already made $20,000. Can you imagine? As a newbie, he not much old, he are top level 2 seller. Here he is top rated seller and he is level 2 seller. So let me search with another. Okay, this one, search engine optimization. In search engine optimization, see, 889 order and $5. Okay, see, this guy, I will build the ultimate high DFY do follow SEO backlinks. He charged $495. If you are a SEO agency, so you know that how much profit you can make from here. So if he got 243 order, 243 into 495, so by this 1 gigs he already made $1,20,000. Can you imagine that? If you do freelancing, it will must profitable. Now if you are expertise in WordPress, let me check how much you can make on there. Okay, let's see, this 455 order at $100 each. So let me check. See, 236 order at 390, 296, 236 order he got at $395. So I think it's quite enough. Okay, this guy, I will design, fix and create a WordPress website. I think it's not much difficult work. Let me enter on his gig. He already got 634 order and at $450. So 634 into $450, $285,000 in 1 gig. It's incredible. So why you are doing delay? He has 3 plans. Startup plan, one page design is exactly maximum 30 minutes ka work. Standard plan is maximum 3 to 4 hours work, and premium plan $750. It's 1 day work. So if you got $750 into 100 order in a gig, so $75,000 you can make in each gig. So let's start your journey in any kind of field that you feel you can do easily. So let's start your journey on that field. You will make a lot of money. Don't worry for make money, just start your work and money will in your hand. Okay, see you soon. Thank you.